Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover a forgotten Bright password. If you forgot your Bright password, don't worry, it only takes a minute to reset and regain access to your account. Open the Bright app or go to the Bright login page on your browser. On the login screen, tap or click Forgot Password just below the password field. Enter the email address linked to your Bright account and then tap Continue. Check your email inbox for a password reset link from Bright. If you don't see it, look in your spam or promotion folder just in case. Tap the link in the email and it will take you to a secure page where you can create a new password. Make sure your new password is strong. Use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Confirm the new password, then tap Submit to reset. Once successful, go back to the Bright app and log in using your new password. And that's it, you're back in and ready to take control of your finances once again. If this helped you out, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Bright tutorials and security tips. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.